One of the HPD officers accused in the case of a man forced to lick a public restroom urinal has agreed to testify against the other officer. Reginald Ramones pled guilty to a lesser charge after agreeing to testify against Officer John Rabago. Manolo Morales is at federal court with details. Manolo?
Joe Ramones testified in court this afternoon that Rabago persuaded him not to tell federal authorities what happened. Now, Ramones added that Rabago had done this type of thing before. John Rabago, seen here in the striped blue shirt, and Reginald Ramones were indicted in April for civil rights violations. Federal prosecutors say in January 2018, Ramones and Rabago went into the bathroom on Sheridan Street with 3 other officers. That's where they found Sam Engel, a homeless man, and forced him to lick the urinal.
My client just wanted to get out of the bathroom and go. He was homeless, he had a bicycle, a security guard led him into the bathroom so he could clean up.
Reiner is representing Engel, who plans to file a civil lawsuit against the city. Reiner says Ramones' admission in court shows there's a deeper problem at HPD.
But much to my surprise, I think everyone in the courtroom recognized that Mr. Ramones implicated HPD in having prior knowledge of Officer Rabago's potential criminal behavior with other individuals.
It's not clear what those other violations are. Megan Cow, Rabago's attorney, says it's suspicious that Ramones would bring up other incidents, and she plans to cross-examine him during the trial. She maintains that the bathroom incident never happened and that officers talked about it as a joke.
John Rabago still maintains his innocence, and he's ready and prepared to go to trial, despite his co-defendant's plea, which is, I believe, to failure to report instead of a constitutional violation of a citizen.
Cow says there is video from a camera outside the bathroom that shows the officers and Engel inside, but there is no video of Engel licking the urinal.
We've all been able to review it. My client has been able to review it. Even after reviewing the video footage, my client maintains his innocence and says that he did not force the complainant to lick the toilet bowl or the urinal.
Now, HPD released a statement saying we are not aware of any earlier incidents involving Officer Rabago. If anyone has any information, they should contact HPD or the Police Commission. ACLU Hawaii also released a statement saying we are pleased that the court is taking this matter seriously. We are closely watching these events. Joe.
Thank you.